In this video, we will create a complete email automation tools. If an email comes through, we will first filter the email, and if the email can be answered by our AI agent. Let's start our workflow. Create a new workflow and rename it email. First step, add Gmail node, Gmail recipient. That's already connected. If you are not connected, create new credential and test procedure. That is just test this it's connected or not. It's fetching email address from yes, it's connected. Good. Now we add our next node. It's set node. Set node is add field string and the value is this expression. So from this from set from value this back. Is not. Let's test. Yes, I get the person. Get a sponsored email. I'll send this stressed email, and that's it. Add AI note. Now it AI event note. Event note. Now we add set model. OpenAI set one. This. Now we edit our set model, AI set model. It will be defined below, and we expression and text will be like this. Let's close back to our agent. Now we need to output parser. It is not enabled, so we need to enable it. Now it's enabled. It will show output parser, and we add this structure output parser, and here is logic of our parser. Okay, set logic. Logic output parser. This logic is responsive boolean and reasoning is a string. So Tier server should be defined below. It will now we test the process. Yes, it's working correctly. Your response. Let's see. Now this node we use let's value also I'll set value is sponsorship equal not equal it's boolean is true. Test the value. Yes, this sponsorship is true. Now we see two nodes true and false. If false, nothing, no person, nothing. Just set. If true, if you get a sponsored mail, will automatically replay. If not sponsored, it will be manually replay or something else. But our target is for sponsorship email. Now we will add AI role, OpenAI model, and message model. Yes, test open omni edit. Now it's system message and system prompt will be expression. We this good results is stuff. It's not system message. Now we add another message prompt with expression and code editor. Will edit field JSON edit email. This test it will be replay message. Hi Peter, thanks for responding. Otherwise replace it. And finally we need to add Gmail. Replay to message and use our Gmail credential. If not connected, create new credential. Now we set our message ID from Gmail, trigger it, it will be message ID, and to message, it will be message email context. This content is test. And I get my another email account. I sent a sponsor deal message. I get reply on this. I thank you for just message body. its flow is automatically is sent email. It's if response title it will be replay, or if not response title it will not replay. Finally, where is we can download this from GitHub, export it to download and export, and you can check it easily this workflow. Thanks for watching this video. Hope we'll see you next.